Let's do a little counting. Let's do a little counting. The 24th hour of the day. We begin on the 25th hour. In fact, we really don't begin until the 145th hour. The 140, let me think of this. 168 minus 24. We start on the 144th square. So if we want to go anywhere you want to go, it's the 145th hour. That brings us 60 minutes into life. But it's not till the 147th hour. 180 minutes. Does anything actually happen? 180 times 60 equals to 108, 36, 36, 36. Nothing happens until then when 6 hours pass in the day. But in order to get into the heavens, we need 8 hours to pass in the day to give the number to the sun, 480. It's the first time anything can happen. We have to understand 24 hours, man was created on day 6. But he was created as what? A man or a child. Remember, if the bar mitzvah and the bat mitzvah only starts at 12, that means we must go through 12 days times 24 equals to 288, the purple sky. 312 is the next 24 hours. 312 is 104, communication. And so on and so forth as we build on up. In the game of craps, they call it the come out roll. Coming out. The button is on or off, 29, 27, red and black. Equals to 32, the freezing mark, 9/11. Venus inside Mars. That's what these exact do. 2 and 2 is 4, 9 and 7 is 7, 4 and 7, Jesus is coming out. This will create 27. Come, 36 times 4, 1444. Out, 56 coming out of the red sun, F. Okay, back into the Monopoly board and coming out on the roll through the moon. This is your gold, and this is the day of gold, the day of the golden boy, Raphael 7286 in a constellation of Pegasus. We start the 24th, the 25th hour, we're 1 a.m. we're in. The 12th hour, the 13th hour we're in. When we get the 13th hour, we're into the day. The 25th is the first hour. This is the 13th hour, 12 hours later. 23rd hour of the day, 11 p.m., 35th hour later. 11th hour in the morning. 35th hour. This one will make creation. I wanted to go back down here again. 17, 18, 19. Black, red, red. This one's on the other side of the board. Red on one side of the board, the opposite is 35 on the other side. This is your 35. It's 35, 37, 39. 147. The 147 is 35 equaling to 8. This one is 37 equaling to 7. 10 equals to 7. 8, 7. This is 39 equals to 3. 8, 7, 3. 56 times 3 is 150, 168 hours in the week. It's automatic. Should I do it again? This area over here, okay, the center, 16 and 19, 35 equals to 8. It'll revert into number 23 and equal to 5. This area over here, okay, is 37. It will equal to 20. It'll equal to 3 by 7, 21. 3 plus 7 is 10. 31 equals to 4. 5, 4, the IT system of the sun. This is 39. 3 by, it'll come out to 39 again. Okay, 39 is the sky, 93, and that sky is in Nevada, my friends. So we have 39. We have 31 is 70. But let's go first and last. Let's just add these two up. Okay, this one over here is 35 and 39 equals to 74. Jesus, the split. I used a multiple inside of here, okay, equaling to 23. Plus the exchange over here, which is, again, 39, 49, 59, 62. The Queensway, which is the 417. Is it the Queensway 417 or 401, 10-4 communication? It's all aligned inside of numbers. All of it, everything, totality, everything. We've done this many times. 2, 3, 4 into the 10 world gets 6, 7, and 8. 2, 3, 4 into the 7 world. Let's not count the other side of 5. Remember, 2 times anything and 5 times the same number will come back to the same number. 2 times this is 68. 5 times 68 is 34. It's a multiple and a division. So when we have 2 and 5, we get the 7 world. 8 and 3, 11. 5 and 4, 9. 7 world in 18. 36, 3 and 9, 12 equals to 3. And 6, 0 equals 6. 6 and 6, we get 33. Come to this one. 3 and 9 equals to 12. 1 and 2 equals to 3. 8 and 5 equals to 13 equals to 4. 19 artificial intelligence equals to DC. And continuously, I forgot to mention one thing. The runner in the moon, the red sun in the moon, F, 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 F. It shows up in Monopoly and all the games. If I can put it on a board, I know I watched a video of Mr. CATI. He does everything so nice. You can see everything clearly. I can understand it, but he's doing one thing, I'm doing something else. I wish I can get more than just these papers over here. Another thing I wanted to bring up maybe in my next video, I want to talk about the weekdays. How the letters work, the number of letters, Take away the DAY because it repeats and everything. Take away letters that are overused twice, adding up the first day with the 6th day and the 2nd day with the 5th day and the 3rd day with the 4th day, adding the 7s and the 10s and everything together. You know there's only 7 days, and the maximum in gematria you can get 3137. So the most you can get without having the 1 is 6. But the 6 has the spirit connected, the 1 spirit, 1 and 1. And the reason for 1 and 1 is because it's on 2 sides of the board. Where's my Monopoly creation? 1 and 1. 1 and 1. 1 on this side, 1 on this side. This is the center. This would be called the 5-area passage of the trains. Raphael, time to end this day. Thank you for watching.